Okay, this is a BFB number tier list. So, these are basically BFB voting icons. So, yeah. So, we have 9 here. Okay, so, let's put 4 onto the best. He's the best character. And, where should we put 2? What? It's his color. Okay, we got X. He's pretty great. 7. He's pretty normal. Even though they're both not free. 3. He's never been on the show. He's always bad. And also 1. They never even appeared in like any non-canon short. Sort of bad. 6. He's kind of rude. 9. He's good. He's good. 5. He's pretty normal. 8. He's pretty neutral, and the roof's a 0. That's all for today.